Pilgrim, come in. You're safe now. Your pilgrimage is near an end, and I am here to assist in your ascension. You're at the entrance of heaven, chosen by your village to ascend. Before you enter, you must perform the ritual. Cross over to the ritual area and take your time. You are safe within the church. The tea ceremony is sacred. You must drink what best represents you and... I apologize for such messes. I'll beckon the maid to serve you. Maid, will you please assist our pilgrim? Maid? Maid? Apologies. It seems that my mate's mind has rotted away. So sorry for the inconvenience. Please serve yourself for this ritual. You pour the tea with such technique. Quench yourself with the tea and continue to the rest of the ritual. In your ascension, you must offer a gift to the keepers in heaven. Take one of the gifts here that best represent you, your place on earth, your family and people. For your journey beyond, I would have asked the maid to gift wrap it for you. Unfortunately, you must do it yourself. An excellent choice. Professional gift wrapping too. On to the last step of the ritual. Finally, choose a robe to present yourself in heaven. I would ask the maid to help you dress, but alas, you must put it on your own. An excellent choice of fashion, Pilgrim. You've completed all steps of the ritual. I apologize for the lack of service on your pilgrimage. I need a second mind to... You prepared yourself so professionally regardless, which gives me an idea. Now, hold my hand, and I'll guide you to heaven. Got you. Shh, don't be scared, Pilgrim. The pain is but a blink. Your entrance to heaven is here. Pilgrim, come in. You're safe now. Your pilgrimage is near an end. You're at the entrance of heaven. Before you enter, cross over and take your time. You are safe within the church.